Let's see the eggs. It's dalawa again. 2 eggs. This is the old one. Here's the other one. Yung sa baba na. And one over there. Confirm. Babae silang dalawa. 2 eggs. Parang may batik-batik tong isang itlog. Mas light yung kulay ng isang itlog. Start yung isa, oh. See? That's dalawang babae.